What's good, producers? I'm about to show you how you can create amazing album covers for your song, for your album, or for whatever you need. Also, make sure you follow me because I'm about to show you where and how you can find the pictures for your album. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to go on the website called canva.com. It's very simple, very easy, and it's basically free. Of course, you can pay for some of the premium features, but you don't have to. After you go on the website, make sure you click and type album cover. Simple as that. After you go, you can see here tons of free templates that you can actually use with your own pictures. After you choose as you can see, there's tons of free and paid, of course, templates. Okay, let's say for example I want to use this one. Looks very cool, right? Okay, let's go into this one and make sure you click customize this template. Okay, here we are, and now I'm about to show you how you can find the pictures. You can simply go on the Pinterest, and for example, if your album is filled with some dark vibes or something like that, you can just type a dark aesthetic, for example, or anything similar to that. For example, I'll just download this picture, or you can simply write free dark pictures HD. That's it. Now you can just go on Splash, very cool website, and you can get some cool pictures. Okay, after you download your picture, simply drag and drop here, and that's it. Now you can adjust your picture here like this, for example. Adjust it as you like it, and then simply write the album name and the producer name. For example, this one is pretty dark. I just call it a Dark Life, for example. And your producer name, let's hit Picasa, and that's it. As you can see, it's very simple, very easy. After that, you can just hit the download button. Make sure you download PNG or anything else you want here. Make sure you download the PNG. Of course, I usually go for a PNG. And after you download the PNG, and after you choose the PNG, hit download button, and that's it. As you can see, album cover is ready and we're ready to go. As you can see, again, there's tons of free templates that you can use for your future album covers and future songs. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button, and I'm about to see you in the next video. Bye.